Hi, I'm Jacob Boberg. I am a junior here at IU studying secondary English education. My goals for after graduation are to hopefully get a job here in the state of Indiana teaching either here in southern Indiana around Bloomington area or in Indianapolis. I'd prefer to teach high school, either freshman English or senior English. I would like to get my certification for the AP exams to be able to help teach the students to that exam. I think is a lot of help for myself going into college, and I'd like to offer that exam wherever I am at. My belief on technology classroom, I think that it's something that teachers need to become more comfortable with and begin to incorporate more as time goes on. It's something that our students are going to have in their day-to-day life as we get older, and I think it's important that we are able to incorporate technology in the classroom to help give them the tools to be able to advance themselves in the world around them as this world is ever progressing technologically. A couple of the badges slash artifacts that I would like to present that I did this semester in W200 would be my production badge. For the production badge, I used the Lego Movie Maker to create a little movie about just students in a day-to-day life. I think this would be a fun little video to be able to use during maybe during class to be able to present like a book for the students as like an understanding of where they believe their understanding is of the book. I think it'd be a fun way to keep students engaged as well as enhance their learning of the book that they're talking about. The next artifact that I was very happy about was the Ed puzzle that I created about a crash course U.S. history video. I think that this is something that can be very fun for students to be able to use because it's very interactive, along with allowing questions throughout the video as it goes along. It's something very, very cool. As we can see here as it goes forward, that it will show us the different questions.
Hi, I'm John Green. This is Crash Course U.S. History, and today we're going to learn about...
That'll show us the different questions as the video goes along. That will allow students to answer questions to show that they have the understanding of the video that you're presenting, along with kind of assess them on things outside the video that the video is connected to. Lastly, I'd like to show you guys the concept map that I created for the English Freshman Standard 91RV21. The standard is students will be able to determine vocabulary through context, and this kind of helps break down how in the curriculum you're going to do that on that day-to-day basis. I think it's something very important for teachers to be able to create to either give to their students so they kind of know what's going on throughout the day, and to kind of present to the parents. It's a nice thing that they can present to the parents, that the parents will be able to know what's kind of going on and to go from there. My thoughts on W200 and my future ideas for technology. I really enjoyed W200. It was a really fun class. There's a lot of different applications that we used during this class that I would have never known about. I also thought it was very interesting learning how to create the e-portfolio about myself. I imagine as I get older, it'll be something that will be required or will be more professional than just a normal portfolio. I'd like to enhance my understanding of technology in the classroom to be able to use more platforms to show my students ways to present information, to engage with the information, and just be more efficient in the way they present things, along with just have fun with it. I think it's something that can open up many different avenues of creativity in the classroom and make learning fun.